cette liberté de nous réjouir en toi.
Hello my friends, it's again Mrs. Francine, the grateful teacher of Spring of Life Christian School. Previously we have been talking about social studies and we took the branch of science. Let us continue with this branch again, continue talking about the changes of their states. Here now, after knowing all the 5 change of states given in the previous lessons, we are now going to add another one that will make us 6 changes of our matter of states. The changes of our, states. Here is the shape representing the 6 changes of states through the 3 forms of the states of our matter studied previously. Here's the shape: solid, liquid, and gas. The change from solid to liquid is melting, already explained in the previous lesson. Now the change from liquid to solid, we call it solidifying. I explained very well, giving different examples. And here is liquid to gas. The change from liquid to gas is called evaporating. And the change from gas to liquid is condensing. Here down we have the change from solid to gas is what we call sublimation. Excuse me, I would like to illustrate very well on this change that we didn't study previously in the other videos. We didn't see this. Sublimation is the change from solid to liquid directly without passing through the solid state. How does it happen? Sublimation, for example, you can take a glass in the fridge. You take it out, even fish or meat that is already solidified in the fridge. When you take it out, try to put it somewhere or on a plate. Observe carefully. You see that the gas is coming from the glass going up, and is what we talk about sublimation. And the last one is gas, from gas to solid without passing through the liquid state. We talk about deposition, already explained in the previous lesson. Here now, there are 3 questions that we are going to answer as the exercise. What does the exercise say? Use the words to complete the sentences about the change of states in water. Here are the different words: heat, water vapor, loses, evaporates, melts, water condenses, solidifies, and heat. These are the words that you are going to use to complete the 4 questions. Ice, dot dot, when it gains, dot dot, and forms, you complete. B, water, dot, when it gains, heat and forms, you complete. C, water vapor, dot, when it loses, dirt, and forms water. And D, water, dot dot, when it, dot dot, heat and form ice. You are going to use the word above and you complete. Number things from gaze